Good morning and welcome. It's Chilly Q and I'm here in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another little experiment, I guess. I have got this on my spinner. I have put double-sided tape on the bottom of the canvas so I can have it on the spinner, so whatever I do with it, I'm going to attempt to spin it out. I haven't got one of those baby's pools, so I guess it's going to go all over me and all over the floor. I suppose I should change my shoes and put my old thongy things on, but you know, I'm just going to give it a go. So I'm going to do a swipe. I really would love to try this on a huge canvas, but it's then getting a spinner set up with a kind of frame on it that you can, I mean, it's all achievable, it's all been done before, I'm pretty sure about that, but I'd love to try it. Okie doke, this is a bit different for my base coat. It's called sketch paper, and I really love this. It seems to really highlight the darker colours in my pour, so, and it's a little bit different than using, you know, the plain old white, I guess. So this is called sketch paper and it's a global paint. And there is links for my products down below on the Australian online store or my US and European Amazon store. So I think everybody can get everything now. I'm not 100% certain, but I pretty much think so. Okie doke, so I'm only going to give it a rough coat. Oh, that's not holding too good there, but we'll just give it a try. Like I said, this is an experiment for me to see if this works, so I'm going to do the main, put in plenty of paint on there, so I've got a lot to spin out. See how we go. I've got all sorts of colours that were pre-made up. They're not made up to, they're made up as my normal pouring paints would be. That's just with my clear glue and water. The recipe is in the drop down box underneath this video. So I'm starting off with my deep sea, which I absolutely love. This is my custom coloured, sort of an aqua turquoisey, beautiful colour. That on there. And then I am actually going to put some, it was burnt umber and I added silver, metallic silver to it. So it's got this lovely glistening going on it, in it now. That, and I want to add, this is some of my champagne gold that I mix up myself, which is literally 50% metallic gold, 50% silver, and then your pouring medium. So it gives you this lovely champagne gold colour. Now this is a very, very dark berry. It is coming out more blacky brown than berry, but I'm going to put it in there. We'll see how we go, and then I'm going to finish it all off. Actually, I was going to finish it off with the, I might put the white. So this is the, what do you call it, the Amsterdam white with Floetrol. I'm going to try my Colour Art spatula, like the offset spatula with a nice big, what do you call it, swipey end. I couldn't think of the name, so I'm going to give this a go. I'm going to, oh, I don't know. Wow, well, look at those cells. Don't actually want to do that too much to it because I'm going to spin it, so I want to see how it spins. It's no special recipe, like I said, it's not the special recipe for anything, so I'm just going to do some squiggles on it. Squiggles, not wiggles. You know, I normally do wiggles. Well, these are squiggles. The jilly squiggles instead of the jilly wiggles. Let's go through there and go through there. And I might put some more paint on, so hopefully it's got lots of area to spread. and we'll just see how we go. Wish me luck. Oh, 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 oh. I'm going to get it everywhere. Maybe I need to swipe a little bit down that end. Okay, let me move everything. Gotta get everything covered in paint. I've got, move it all out the way. Let's give this a go. Oh, please stay on there. I wonder if you can actually wow. Ooh, I like it. Okay, let's go back the other way and try it again. Now I'm scared to put my hand out. Come on, do it, Jilly, Jilly, Jilly. I might. That is the wind here blowing my fly door flappy thing. Okay, slow down, slow down. Wow, well, that was different. That was different, just needs all the edges finish off. Not sure if I like that one. The idea, I think if my paint was a bit thicker, that it would work a lot better than that. I think so. But it was an idea anyway, to put the skewer in while I'm spinning. Just not sure if that particular look is anything special, but I'll let you guys tell me what you think. Do you think it's a winner or a sinner? I mean, it's not actually a sinner, but you know, I think I need to tweak the particular technique and have another go again and see where I go from there. But thank you so much for coming on this experimental journey with me today. If you've got any suggestions, I'm absolutely open to suggestions. If you've tried something and it's worked and you want to share, then please do so. So until tomorrow, my lovely people, I will say bye for now.